beef for some reason. ፓስፖርቷ ትላንትና ነው የጠፋው
እና አንተ ጋር lost and found እንትን ኦፊስ ነው ፓስፖርት ሲጠፋብን ፖሊስ ጋር ሄደን ነው ሪፖርት የምናደርገው እኔ ጋር አይደለም ሪፖርት የሚደረገው እኔም
ሪፖርት አልተደረገም all of a sudden ትላንትና ነው ምንድነው አቲቲዩድ ይዘሽ የመጣሽ ነው
አቲቲዩድ አይደለም I'm working
ዲናይ ወርካይታሪያኔ ላይ ምንድነው ያዙኝ
No, I respect you. That's why I accepted you. You know.
No, we were waiting for a long time.
No, I have over 20 requests መጥቶልኝ አንተን ብቻ ጋር ነው የመጣሁት። እሺ እሱን አልሪስፔክት
ነገርሽ ነው። ሂጂ ሌላ ቦታ መሄድ ትችያለሽ ከፈለግሽ።
ቲናዬ ቆይ አንዴ ዮኒ
እኔ ላይ
እኛ አሁን ቲናዬ ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው ፕሊዝ። እሺ እሱም እየጠበቀሽ ነበረ። ይሄ ሁሉ ህዝብ ቁጭ ብለን እኔም እንቅልፍ ሳልተኛ ሌሊቱን ዮኒም ሳይተኛ ቁጭ ብለን ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው በቃ።
ምን ላይ እንደዚህ
ዳኛው needs to calm down first. I'm scared ካደረጋችሁ ይወጣልኝ. I don't have to explain my life. This is my life, my daughter and my life. I don't need to bring it to outside.
No, ልጅሽማ አንቺ መፍትሄ ስላልሰጠሻት ነው እኛ ጋር የመጣው።
Oh, really? After 21 years አንተ ጋር መጣች? እሺ እና what's wrong with Daisy? Daisy, you know I love you.
Listen to me please. እኔ ላውራ አንድ ጊዜ ዮኒ ቁጭ ብሎ ዮኒ እስካሁን ድረስ እሷን ራሱ ዴዚን ራሱ በጣም እንትን እያላት ነበረ። እናትሽ ማክበር አለበት ልጁም ስላንቺ he's got your back በጣም ብዙ ሲያወራልሽ ነበር እና አሁን መተሽ ፕሊዝ እንደ ሚስ አንደርስታንዲንግ ሊሆን ይችላል he's got your back አሁን እሱ የሚፈልገው እኔም የምፈልገው ሁላችንም ሰላም እንዲመጣ ነው። at the end of the day you are you know እናትና ልጅ ናችሁ። ስለዚህ ጀንወን የሆነ ነገር ነው ይዘን የመጣ ነው ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው። እዚህ ጋር ያንቺን ጎራ ይዘው የሷን እንትን ብለው ከዘርም ጋር ያገናኙት የሚፈልጉ ብዙ ሰዎች አሉ። ስለዚህ at the end of the day you guys are family, let's fix this.
I know
እና በጥሩ መንፈስ ነው እና ይኸውልሽ እዚህ ጋር ጥሩ ነገር ይዞ ነው የመጣው። ስለዚህ you know እኛም ደግሞ ያንን ነው የምንፈልገው። እሺ
no problem ግን ይሄ እኮ የኔና የሷ ፋሚሊ እሺ ነው ብዙ ነገር ቤታችን የምፈጣው ለምን ራሽ
አክስትሽም አውርቻታለሁ የሷን አክስቷን ሳውራት ፕሊዝ የራሷን ላይፍ ዴዚ መኖር ትፈልጋለች
እና ማንንም ያዛት
አንዴ ልጨርስና መናገር ትችያለሽ አይደል ገና ከመጀመሪያ አፋፋት ላይ ምንድነው ያለችው መኖር ትፈልጋለች በራሷ ላይፍ የራሷን ህይወት መኖር ትፈልጋለች ስለዚህ አሁን አፓርትመንት ልትከራይ ስትል አንቺ ምንድነው ያረክሽው ለዛ ሴትዮ ደውለሽ ትሬት ነው ያረክሻል ልጄን ትወስጂብኛለሽ ኪድናፕ አረክሽ ብዬ ደውዬ አሲዝሻለሁ ብለሻል አይደል
አላልኳትም I have a voicemail that's a lie because the lady herself ደውላ ዴዚን እኔ I don't sub lease ነቻለሁ sub lease ማድረግ አልችልም ግን ስራው ክፍት ነው voicemail አለኝ ክፍት ነው ስራውን ትስራ ስትል ከዚህ 1 hour ማን ነው እየነዳት የሚሄደው every day ወይ ባልቲሞር ዲሲ ማን ነው የሚመላለሰው ለዛ አይነት ስራ ደግሞ እዚህ ቅርባችን ክሎስ አለ ብለን የተሰረዘው አሁንም ቢሆን ሌላው ያላትን እኛውን እንገኝንለት this is just a normal family issue no what is the big deal
okay the other big deal I will talk to you about ያንቺ እህት ልትወንተ ወይ ማክስቷ የሷ አክስት አንቺ በጥሩ ዴዚን ያየሻት እንዳልሆነ በጥሩ እንዳልሆነ
oh my god okay ዴዚ አክስት አጎት ዲፈረንሱን አታውቅም ዜማ የምትለውን ዘመዴ ነች አክስቴ ልጅ ትላለች ዜማን I never seen her ዜማ ዱርዬ ስምታበላሻት ልጅ እንደሆነች ነው የማውቀው ኦንላይን ሜላትን I don't know her she's messed up ማረጉት ግን እህቶቼ አክስቶቼ እያለች ለህዝብ ትናገራለች that's not right
okay ከማን ጋር ነው አሁን የምትኖረው
100% my family my sisters brothers never talk to anyone on media they don't go on media they all work the government የሚሰሩት እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ጊዜ የላቸውም I know you didn't talk so maybe she brought somebody on so አቅርባለህ እቴነች አክስቴ
you saying like that's not your aunt Daisy
it's not
No, Mariaman, Yoni Mariaman.
Who talked to him? Man.
Mariaman. I swear to God, I swear to
you. Tell me who talked to him. Give me the name.
I'm not going to tell you, no.
That's it, that's not true then. Why are you hiding?
I don't want to bring our family to the...
Oh, really? You already did.
So, okay, let me ask
I mean our other family.
No, you already did.
አንዴ ልጠይቅሽ አንድ ነገር የእሷ የራሷን ላይፍ ለመምራት ምኑ ነው ለአንቺ የሚከብድሽ?
She's my daughter. I don't want ማንም ዝንብ እንትን ባለጌ እናቷን የሚሰድብ ሀገር የሚሰድብ ዘር የሚያስተምራት that's not I worked for. ዴዚን አገሯን ህዝቧን አክብራ እንድትኖር ራሱ ሰክሰስፉል ሆና እናቷንም እንድትጦር ህዝቡን እንድትጦር ነው አሳድጌ አድርጌ ያሳደኳት። መጥፎ ሰው በያውም እኔ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም። አንተ ራስህ አይደለህም እንዴ ልታስቀርቀው ዴዚ ቢኮዝ
Can we stop talking?
I'm a good listener. Let it talk.
But this is not about love, though. This is not about love.
No.
Daisy, let her finish. It's okay. Let her talk.
Love is the problem. Because your love is what caused all this. Daisy, please listen. It's good for you.
Let her talk, and I got an answer. Keep talking.
See, the guy himself. You were ሽማግሌ ሆነ ስታስታርቅ እንደማያፈቅራትም እንደማሆነ ሽምግልና ገብተህ አንተ ራስህ አንዴ ገና ተገላገልን ከሱ ስንል መልስ አስገናኝ አስታርቀሃቸዋል። ልጁ እንደማያፈቅራት እንደ ዱርዬ እንደሆነ እያወቅ አስታረካቸው። that's not right. I didn't accept. I mean appreciate that time በጣም አዝኜብህ ነበር። ግን it's okay. አንተ just media life ነው maybe temporary ነው ብለህ ይሆናል። ግን ልጁ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም ላፈቅራትም አልችልም በህይወቴ ብሎ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ሰቅሎታል። እኔ ፈልጌ እንትን ላይ ፖስት አድርገዋለሁ ዛሬ ህዝብ እንዲሰማው። ማንኛው እናት ነው ያውም ሲንግል ማም ሆኖ ያሳደጋት ልጅ ለእንደዚህ አይነት ሰው ሂጂ ጉርላክ ብሎ የሚሄደው እንዴ? እኔን እኮ ትናንት ወጥቶ ለ21 አመት ያበላሻትን ትክሳስሽ ነው ምናምን ነገር አለ። የት እሱ 5 months ago ኦንላይን ስክሪን ለብሶ ገብቶ መልኩን አሳምሮ ላናገራት ሴት 1 አመት ሆነሽ ላደረገችሽ እና ዳይፐር ስላደረገች ነው ከሳሻት የሚለው? እንደዚህ አይነት ደደብ ጭንቅላት የሌለው ሰው እንዴት ብለን ነው ልጅን ውሰድ የምትለው? ያም ሌላ ሀገር ወስዶ ማትመለስበት ደረጃ ልትሆን የምትችልበት ጥገኛ የሚኖር አዳፕት ሆኖ የሚኖር ልጅ
You don't have to bring up his personal life.
የሰባተኛ ክፍል ተማሪ አንድ ነገር there's no one thing good thing እኔ እንደሱ ብያ አክሴፕት አላደርግም። ልጅ ከፈቀደች ግን ካፈቀረችው that's good. I will support her still. ሚስቴክም ቢሆን ሰርታ ቀበላታለሁ። አሁንም ቢሆን እኮ ኔክስት ላይፏ ስትሄድም እኔ ባካፋላል ሁሉም ነገ ይዘ ኔክስት ይር ስትረሳ እሷ ብቻዋን ስታለቅስ እኔ ነኝ መቀበላት። እኔ ነኝ for the rest of her life. እኔ ከማንኛውንም ሰው አፍቅራ ብትመጣ ደስታው ነው ደስታዬ ነው። ጊዜዋ ነው። አሁን ደግሞ ይዛቸዋት አትበል። ከ18 ሆና መውጣት ትችል ነበር። she knows what's good for her. She knows what's the best for her. She stayed. Daisy drives brand new 24 brand new car እየነዳች ነው። ላስት ይር ኢትዮጵያ ሄድ ነው ጋራጅ አቁመ ነው። ምንም የጎደለባት ነገር የለም። ልጅቷ ሃፒ ነች። አንዳንዴ ጨውባታለሁ። that's just ጥሩ ልጅ ለማሳደግ ዝም ብላ አይደለም። it takes a lot of work. ገርፈህም ቆንጥጠህም ስንት ነገር ነው አዲስ አበባ የምናድገው። ተደብድበን ተገርፈን ምን ብለን ነው ትምህርት ቤት ጨርሰን የምንወጣው የምንማረው? ፋሚሊስን ቢሆን ተመስገን ብለን እንደገና መጦር እንጀምራለን። እሷ ገና የጮኩባትን ዛሬ 6 አመት 4 አመት እያመጣች እሱ ደግሞ አሁን በቅርብ ሲያነጋግራት ሮንግ ቲንግ ምለ ብዙ ነገር ማውራት አልፈልግም ነገሩ ዳት ሞመንት እሱ እየቀረጸ ነበር ድምጼን። እሱም የሚወዳት ከሆነ እንደዛ አይነት ነገር ለምን ይሰጣት ኤክስፖዝ ያደርጋታል ሚዲያ ላይ? ለምንስ እኔን ቴክስት እያደረገ ቮይስ እየላከ አንቺ ባለጌ አንቺ አሮጊት ልጅሽ ነው ስጄ እንዳርጌ ለአማራ ወርውራታለሁ ኦሮሞን ገና እንደፋለን ምናምን እንደዚህ አይነት ሰው እንዴት ነው ልጅን ኮንፎርት ምላት እንዴ? ምንካ I just want the best for my daughter. That's it. አሁንም ቢሆን ነገም አልለቅም። I'm gonna go look after her. እስከመሞት ድረስ I'll take care of you Daisy until I die. You know I love you. I know you're in love. And you know I understand you're in the age where we've been through that. But I don't want you to make a mistake in the worst place because you may never survive. Sometimes
no.
Daisy?
No. If you don't want to be completely honest with people, I don't think you should talk. I mean, if you don't want to say what you did as well, then you know, like
I have the right to do anything I want.
Okay, that's good. That's fine.
It's okay. Take your time. If you love him, it's your choice. I'll support you, but do it the right way. Not like you just saw him 5 months on the screen, TikTok. You don't risk your entire life to go see him.
Okay, again, mom, listen. This is not about Jinjana or Fikr. I want freedom. That's all I'm saying. Like this is this. We should stop making this about relationship.
Okay.
It's not.
Daisy, you know, I work even last year. Let's forget about everything. Last year when you were home, 1 year we were in Ethiopia, but the year before that you were 19. I was working 2 jobs. You're open 24 hours. You have a car. You have the entire home. You could have done anything. Why wouldn't you run away then if nothing is good for you?
What do you mean?
It's not like
she was saying that she was working 2 jobs.
Yeah.
You're at home by yourself.
Yeah, I was doing social media.
She said, if you want to run away, why don't you do it at the time?
I did not run away. I mean, the thing is, yes, I ran away, but that's my decision. Again, it's my decision.
She has no reason. Okay, so what I was saying is...
አንዴ ቲና ተረድቼሻለሁ። ሀት ሆነሽ የመጣሽበት ነገር ብዙ ሰዎች አማክረውሽ ሊሆን ይችላሉ። እኔ ግን አንቺን ስከላከል ነበር። ልንገርሽ ገባኝ። እኔ ይኸውልሽ እኔ አንቺን እዚህ ሆኜ ስከላከል ነበር። እናቷን ዲስስፔክት እያደረገ ልጇን ማፍቀር አይችልም እያልኩ ስከራከርልሽ ነበር። አትሰሚ ነው የመጣሽው። ገባሽ? ሀት ሆነሽ የመጣሽው ሌላ ነገር ብለው ነው። አሁን ልክ ነሽ። አሁን እንደማለት አንዴ አዳመጥኩሽ አይደል እንዴ? አዳምጪኛ። the entire times አዳምጥሽ ነበር። እንደ እናት ያሰብሽው አሁን የምትይው ነገር ስህተት የለው። ስህተት አላየሁበትም። አሁን የምትይው ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምትመኝላት፣ ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምታደርግላት። yes ይሄን እስማማል። 2024 do you have a car 2024? ቆይ ዴዚን ነው የምጠይቃት። አንዴ ቲና do you have a car 2024? Brand new
2024 car? Yes, I did. Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah.
Okay, you do have that. So one thing I don't understand, some of the other people saying that she makes you starve to death. That's what they were saying.
Listen, this is people like...
She didn't say, Daisy didn't say that. But the other people were saying that Daisy was starving to death, but you drive in 2024 a brand new car.
And let me add something for you, Daisy. You know this is the honest in God's name. You know you have a cross on your neck, and there is a reason for that. You don't lie. Daisy, she eats like even very best diet. Like the fridge is full of organic food, the drink, everything selective. I work very little job, but it takes like almost 24 hours overnight, and then I come back 1 hour and I get ready. I go back another 10 hours, 11. That's how I lived for almost. So,
okay, did I deny that?
No.
Did I deny that? That's what I'm saying. What does this have to like?
No, let me ask you, Daisy. Is your mom a hard worker?
Yes, she is. Yeah.
Okay, if she's a hard worker, what she does that for? For you and her, right?
Well, yeah, yes, yeah, of course.
Okay, that's the case. The reason you guys are here because of this man, right?
No, it's not. It's not just about him. This isn't just about like love. Like it's not.
Because there was no problem before that, though.
I had no freedom.
Freedom?
What's freedom?
Mom, I had no freedom.
Okay, I think one thing.
What freedom? Explain freedom to me. Explain freedom.
I mean, Mom, I respect you, but you have to understand you are forcing me to do social media.
Let her talk. Tina, please let her talk.
Yes.
Let Daisy talk, okay? Just listen to her for a minute. I'm going to mute you for a second, okay? Let her talk.
Let me just say, I'm the one, I'll say I'm the one, yeah, I started getting known on TikTok, like, you know, the side Ayajibo, like, I started getting known on TikTok, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, I asked my mom, yeah, let's go to Ethiopia, maybe I could do business, you know, things like that. We stayed there 7 months. After 7 months, I was depressed. I was not okay. I didn't want to do social media anymore. Like I was physically tired of it, and I was begging my mom. I said, can we go back? Can I go back to school? Can I do this? She said, and mom, you know I respect you, but you told me I need to be rich and famous, have money for college, like, you know, I need that things, and then I go back to school. So as a 20-year-old, yeah, I came back by myself. And I have the right to.
But the first thing is what I'm gonna ask you. You ask your mom to go to Ethiopia with her. You wanna do YouTube, you wanna be famous, right? You are the one in.
Like, no, because we go as vacation sometimes. Like, we went 2023, we went 20, like, we...
Yeah, I understand, but as you say now, from what you said, you told us, you wanna go to Ethiopia, you wanna do YouTube, you wanna do social media, you wanna be famous. And your mom support you with that. She went with you.
Yeah.
You become famous. Now you get bored. You change your mind.
Well, yeah,
right?
because I wanted to focus on school. That's why.
I understand, but the first thing she was saying that before you got famous, she wanted that for you, right? She wants you to focus
she's
on
always
school,
wanted that
right?
for me.
But you change your mind. Every time you change your mind, she doesn't have to accept sometimes. She gotta say something about it, right?
Well, yeah, but so what? Like, so you're saying that I should have stayed there, or what?
No, you guys should talk about. I know you begged her. But the first he said, I want to be famous. I want to make money. I want to do my own thing. So she fulfilled your dream. She went with you. You start that. You get bored. You are the one get bored, not her. She was following what you said. Now you change your mind and she has to do that again. So she has to rethink what you said. She has to start again.
Yeah, but I have that right as an adult. Like, if I want to come back and go back to school, I can. Like, you know, that's
That's that. But you should be like, I apologize, Mom. I'm sorry. I told this what my future was. Unfortunately, I don't want this no more. I want to do school, but I apologize. That should count. Because she followed
No, I am sorry.
You know what I mean? Tina, she said, I'm sorry for that. Do you accept her apology for it? Tina, ይቅርታ እያለች ነው። አንሚዩት አድርጊው። ክሊክ ስታደርጊው የሚዩቱን በተን ክሊክ አድርጊው ማይክሮፎን የሚለው